Hi friends, welcome back to Korshika. Today in this tutorial you will learn how to insert dummy, that is fake data, into Django database tables. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. Okay, now let's start the tutorial. First, one question may come in your mind: why there is a need to insert dummy data in our database? Okay, so answer is the database schema in our project does not only admin, but our database schema may be quite large and complex so far. So whenever we work as a team, each team member completes their own task, and they must first test whether the task is giving the expected output or not. So each team member need to create the data manually for the sake of testing. So it will certainly take a lot of time. So from here automatic data seeding is needed. That is we need to insert the dummy data using a data seeding technique. So for that, Django provides one library, that is Django Seed, to generate dummy data for Django models. So in the SRC app models.py file, here I have created two models, that is person and employee. And this person model has these fields: name, age and city. And this employee model has a foreign key of the person model. Okay, and using on delete equals to models dot cascade, this will make the employee instance delete if the person linked to it gets deleted. Okay, and it also has manager and salary fields. Okay, now let's create migrations for these models using python manage.py make migrations src. Now create the database tables using python manage.py migrate src. Okay, now let's search here Django Seed. I will open this link. Okay, so this is the Django Seed library, which uses the Faker library to generate test data, that is a dummy data for our Django models. Okay, so this allows us to write code to generate models and seed our database with one simple manage.py command. Okay, so let's see how we need to install Django Seed. Using pip install command we will install Django Seed. So I will copy this. So here I will paste. Okay, I have already installed the library, so it is showing that the requirement is already satisfied. Okay, so next we need to add the library in our install app section in settings.py file. So copy this, go to install app section. So here I will add the library. Okay, so with Django Seed we can insert dummy data into our database tables from the command line using manage.py seed command. Okay, so to insert dummy data into app API, okay, for each model we can use python manage.py seed, the app name API dash dash number. Okay, using dash dash number we can specify how many dummy records we will insert. Okay, and equals to number of records, that is 15. Okay, so here we are inserting 15 dummy records. Okay, Now here we will insert 5 dummy records uh, for each model in our src app. Okay, using command python manage.py seed src dash dash number equals to number of records we need to insert, that is 5. Okay, see here it inserted 5 persons and 5 employees with the primary keys. So here I will select the table from the src app. Here is the src person. It inserted this data. Okay, these are the 5 rows with the values for the id, for the name, age, and for the city. These are the values are inserted. And in the src app employee table, okay, these 5 records are inserted. The values for the id and the manager, salary, and the person id is inserted. Okay, these are the person ids. Okay, so next in models.py file, here as the employee model has the foreign key of the person models, first the data should be inserted for inside the person model, then it should insert employee model. So see here, first the data is inserted in the person model, then it inserted the data in the employee model. Okay, so here they have given that when seeding models with foreign keys, you need to make sure that those models are seeded first. Okay, for example, if a model in app A has a foreign key to a model in app B, okay, that is if a model in app B has a foreign key, app A has a foreign key to a model in app B. Okay, then you must seed app B first. Okay, they have given, and here is the code. Using the code we can easily seed our test databases for our Django models. Okay, you can see here it provides seed package, seed class, and using seeder instance and using add entity method you can seed database models. Okay, so friends, if you like my tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel to get new video updates first to you. And your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos, so please like and subscribe. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.